Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What's your name?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's yours?
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
My name is Anna. What's yours?
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Anna?
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Anna?
I'm from Paris in France. And you?
I'm from London, in the UK.
I'm from Paris in France. And you?
I'm from London, in the UK.
Oh, London. That's a beautiful city.
Thank you. Do you speak English every day?
Oh, London. That's a beautiful city.
Thank you. Do you speak English every day?
Not every day, but I'm learning. Do you speak French?
A little. I speak English and a little French.
Not every day, but I'm learning. Do you speak French?
A little. I speak English and a little French.
That's great. It's nice when people can speak more than one language.
Yes, it's useful for traveling and making friends.
That's great. It's nice when people can speak more than one language.
Yes, it's useful for traveling and making friends.
Do you live here in this city?
Yes, I moved here last year. What about you?
Do you live here in this city?
Yes, I moved here last year. What about you?
I live here with my family.
That's nice. Do you have siblings?
I live here with my family.
That's nice. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. And you?
I have 3 brothers. We are very close.
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. And you?
I have 3 brothers. We are very close.
That's wonderful. Do they live here too?
No, they live in the United States. I miss them sometimes.
That's wonderful. Do they live here too?
No, they live in the United States. I miss them sometimes.
I understand. Family is very important. What do you do, Mike?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a local school.
I understand. Family is very important. What do you do, Mike?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a local school.
Really? That's interesting.
Yes, I enjoy helping people learn. And you?
Really? That's interesting.
Yes, I enjoy helping people learn. And you?
I'm a student. I study business at the university.
That sounds challenging. Do you like it?
I'm a student. I study business at the university.
That sounds challenging. Do you like it?
Yes, I like studying, but it's not always easy.
I know, but hard work always pays off.
Yes, I like studying, but it's not always easy.
I know, but hard work always pays off.
That's true.
What do you like to do in your free time?
That's true.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Like reading books and listening to music. And you?
I like playing football and watching movies.
Like reading books and listening to music. And you?
I like playing football and watching movies.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies, horror movies, and comedies.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies, horror movies, and comedies.
Oh, I prefer romantic movies.
Everyone has different tastes.
Oh, I prefer romantic movies.
Everyone has different tastes.
That's true. Have you traveled to many countries?
Yes, I have visited Spain, Italy, United States, and Haiti.
That's true. Have you traveled to many countries?
Yes, I have visited Spain, Italy, United States, and Haiti.
Wow, that's amazing.
And you, Anna, have you traveled a lot?
Wow, that's amazing.
And you, Anna, have you traveled a lot?
Not much, but I dream of visiting New York one day.
Oh, New York is wonderful. I went there 2 years ago.
Not much, but I dream of visiting New York one day.
Oh, New York is wonderful. I went there 2 years ago.
Really? How was it?
Busy, exciting, and full of life.
Really? How was it?
Busy, exciting, and full of life.
That sounds great. I want to go there someday. By the way, Mike, do you like cooking?
Cooking? A little. I can cook simple meals.
That sounds great. I want to go there someday. By the way, Mike, do you like cooking?
Cooking? A little. I can cook simple meals.
Like what?
Pasta, rice, chicken, very easy things.
Like what?
Pasta, rice, chicken, very easy things.
That's good. At least you don't starve.
True. What about you, Anna? Do you cook?
That's good. At least you don't starve.
True. What about you, Anna? Do you cook?
Yes, I like cooking. I can cook French dishes.
Oh, French food. That must be delicious.
Yes, I like cooking. I can cook French dishes.
Oh, French food. That must be delicious.
Yes, for example, I can make ratatouille and crepes.
Crepes. I love crepes with chocolate.
Yes, for example, I can make ratatouille and crepes.
Crepes. I love crepes with chocolate.
Me too. What about English food?
Well, we have fish and chips, and a traditional breakfast with eggs, bacon, beans, and toast.
Me too. What about English food?
Well, we have fish and chips, and a traditional breakfast with eggs, bacon, beans, and toast.
That sounds heavy. Do you eat that every day?
No, not every day. Just sometimes, maybe on weekends.
That sounds heavy. Do you eat that every day?
No, not every day. Just sometimes, maybe on weekends.
Okay, that makes sense.
And what's your favorite food, Anna?
Okay, that makes sense.
And what's your favorite food, Anna?
I think pasta, it's easy and tasty. And you?
My favorite is fried beef with fried plantains. I could eat that every day.
I think pasta, it's easy and tasty. And you?
My favorite is fried beef with fried plantains. I could eat that every day.
Be careful. Too much beef is not healthy.
True, but you know sometimes food is happiness.
Be careful. Too much beef is not healthy.
True, but you know sometimes food is happiness. Do you like music, Anna?
Of course, I love music. I listen to it every day.
Do you like music, Anna?
Of course, I love music. I listen to it every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music, worship music, and a little jazz. And you?
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music, worship music, and a little jazz. And you?
I like hip hop, compas, reggae, and Afrobeat. These rhythms make me happy.
That's nice. Do you play an instrument?
I like hip hop, compas, reggae, and Afrobeat. These rhythms make me happy.
That's nice. Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Wow, really? That's amazing.
Yes, I play the guitar.
Wow, really? That's amazing.
Thank you. Do you play anything?
I can play the piano, but I'm not very good.
Thank you. Do you play anything?
I can play the piano, but I'm not very good.
That's still great. Music is not about perfection, it's about feeling.
I agree. Do you go to concerts?
That's still great. Music is not about perfection, it's about feeling.
I agree. Do you go to concerts?
Sometimes. The last concert I went to was amazing.
Which one?
Sometimes. The last concert I went to was amazing.
Which one?
A compa band from Haiti. The energy was incredible.
I would love to go to a live concert. Maybe one day we can go together.
A compa band from Haiti. The energy was incredible.
I would love to go to a live concert. Maybe one day we can go together.
Yes, that a great idea. That would be fun. It was really nice talking to you, Anna.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation.
Yes, that a great idea. That would be fun. It was really nice talking to you, Anna.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation.
Maybe we can meet again and practice English together.
That's a great idea. Let's do it.
Maybe we can meet again and practice English together.
That's a great idea. Let's do it.
Perfect. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye.
Perfect. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye.